Dude, we got getting up here.
Oh, wow.
Right up there in the cloud.
Yep. That was not doing that when I was walking.
Then this is a storm building up.
It literally was not doing.
This is a storm in the progress then.
Uh-huh.
Mother Nature at its best. Wow. I kept seeing something flashing out my window. I thought it was my electricity. It's brighter and brighter each second. It's like, there's no way that's my electricity. Look down and see a big huge flash, and that's when I knew it was lightning.
Right.
Wow. We were not supposed to get any storms tonight. Mother Nature had other plans. I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys enjoy it. Oh, wow. Hold on, yo. I'm gonna bring the tripod up on our deck. I just missed that one completely. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to move my tripod back some. I don't know how far back. Oh my. There we go.
Bad thing though, my phone is at 11%. So, I can't stay out here for long. My phone's eventually going to die. Turn off the ACs. See if you guys can hear it better. Okay. Well, we got ourselves a thunderstorm. We were not supposed to get a thunderstorm tonight, but Mother Nature had other plans. Let's see if we can get any cool lightning bolts now that we're out of the time-lapse mode. You can also hear the beautiful thunder. Oh, that was like right above. I don't know, I might not time-lapse it. Because I saw a lot of cool bolts. I'm not seeing as much boats I was earlier. I wish I would have came out here earlier when this started. Well, there we go. A bit to the left. Got a boat there. This is nice. I was hoping for a thunderstorm sometime soon. I want to use the macro mode, but it has a very bad quality. Seems like the activity is starting to die down. Dead quiet. Oh, there we go. Just a flash in the sky, that's it. This is macro mode right now. I'm recording on. Might go back inside now that the activity is kind of dead. Wish I came out earlier. I was out here earlier and I saw none of this happening, so I don't know when it started. Well, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like, I guess. I think it's gonna go towards Lima. I'm seeing lots of lightning over there now. Yeah. That sucks. I was hoping to get more footage out of this. I don't know, I might be able to get more footage from this over here. Even though my phone's not picking up most of the lightning flashes. Well, see. Ooh, my phone's at 7%. I might be able to stay out here some more. Might be able to stay out here for a bit more. My phone usually stops recording at 4 minutes. I mean, not 4 minutes, 4%. So, guess I'll just stay out here until it stops recording itself. But at the same time, I hope it does not shut down before it stops recording, because then the footage might get corrupted. Yep, the activity is just gone now. Moving north, it looks like. I'm not even hearing thunder from most of the flashes now. I heard that one. That was about 2 to 3 seconds. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot speak. Ooh. Man, these... I don't know if I want to go just yet. These boat sites are making me want to stay out here longer. Mr. Kitty Cat. Aww. You're a sweetie pie. There you are. Yes, you are. Freddy! Hi, Arthur Kitty Cat. A lot of boats up there. It's sad though because my camera's not picking it up. There's a bunch of boats appearing in the clouds. It's not bright enough and close enough to see it on the camera. I wouldn't even say camera, it's my phone camera. I need to start saying phone camera instead of camera. Recording this on the Samsung Galaxy A53. I'm hoping to get the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Oh, look at this. Got a plane. Don't know if you kids. I don't know if you saw the red dot flashing or not. Might be able to show you it after it gets past our trailer. Here we go. Yep, there it is. The flashing red dot. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go back inside now. All of the flashy flash stuff is moving away from us. Looks like there's some more back there, but I'm gonna go in, charge up my phone, maybe get back out here once it gets up to about 20% or so. Well, actually, it sounds like it's starting to rain. Well, I am back. My phone is at 18%, so we definitely have a lot more battery life than before. Not the best, but I will work with it. Let me go ahead and put my phone in my phone holder on my tripod. Yeah, look at that. The activity is kicking back up. Oh yeah. Right here is the sweet spot. Look at that. This is the sweet spot. Storm is picking up some more strength, I guess. What's wrong, baby? You okay? We moved back. Want to get the perfect angle. What's wrong? You scared?
Kitten. Fred.
He's not gonna listen.
I know. Should I throw my crock at him?
It's just gonna hate you even more. I say I got about 50 minutes of footage by now.
If Tiger was out here, he'd love on me.
He was loving on me when I was standing out there by the truck. Kept rubbing his head against my arm and shoulder.
I wonder if he's still outside.
I let him in.
Oh.
I don't know if he went back out because he's so sneaky about it.
Mm-hmm.
He literally dashes for the door and it's open.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Shut up,
Ew.
stomach. No, that was not a fart. That was just my stomach.
Nope, that was a
moving.
fart.
No, it wasn't.
Uh-huh.
My
Blame it on
Crohn's
your
is acting
stomach.
up. I ate too many jalapeno poppers.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, doctor.
It's okay. My doctor left.
I'm gonna tell you,
I don't have a doctor right now.
Oh. I'm gonna tell you a new doctor immediately when you get one. Come on, get back up. I think that's the end.
I thought you said you didn't know how to snap your fingers. Or is that Dad? Might be Dad.
I can't
Yeah, it's
snap
your
this
dad.
one.
See, I can't either. Just barely.
Doesn't help that my hands are sweaty for some reason. It only makes a fapping noise.
Mine too. Then my right hand.
Probably depends on
Must be a
the
right.
hand.
Yeah.
Like if you're a left hand person, you can do it more.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think that's the end.
Yep, I think so too.